Yo, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute. I do have a lot of unedited clips, videos, and I have update on Emmer's car, and I should be working on my brother's car. But for today, I'm gonna do something really simple, really simple, and I'm gonna go ahead. If you look at these right here, it looks like hot trash, right? I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, both of them, get them cleaned up and repaint them black. Also, I got RSX seats installed. I was doing a video on it, but I kind of scrapped it, and my back seats are painted black. So, you know, small little updates, but it's the little things that you don't have to go and spend an arm and a leg on your car, and you get them done. These little things matter, so I'm glad I got them out the way. And let's get to pulling the wiper blade arms off. All right, let's do it. Oh, got me at 14. Came out easier than I thought, actually. Wow. Yeah, all I grabbed was a 14. Now the big question is, will it just... Oh, okay, slid right off. Cool. Yep, all you need is a 14. I'm gonna go ahead, take the other one off real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and take the other one off. And the longer one goes on the passenger side. Always remember that, folks. Longer arm goes on the passenger side, shorter arm goes on the driver's side. Yeah. Boom, just like that. All right, as you can see, this is the hold up, yeah, this is the driver's side, because this is shorthand. Yeah, that's the driver's side. So I'm gonna go ahead, kind of give it a light sand right here, and the back right here. This is a fine grit, so I'm not really doing much to it. I'm just giving it surface so paint can stick to it. Just like that. Just like that. This is cleaned. Well, not clean. It's just whatchamacallit. It's just sanded down smooth. Has a very smooth finish to it right now. It feels like that. And all you guys are saying, how? But how? You barely even sanded it. It's good enough for me, bro. And it's gonna be painted. So this is something you could do that is very inexpensive also. So take notes. Take notes. What I really need to do right now is to find somewhere where I can hang this and actually paint it. So that is my next deal. Find somewhere I can hang it and paint it. Or if I could like set it on the floor, like set it like so, and hit it with paint, that'd probably be dope. All right, so I might leave it like that. Put a cardboard box under it so I don't paint the floor. And yeah. All right, so I went ahead, jumped the gun, and I hit it with the paint. It's my first coat. I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit and hit it with another coat. And as for right here, I'm gonna kind of wipe it down and hit it with some back to black, just to see if it'll bring it back a little bit. If not, I'll probably have to take it off in the future and get it repainted. But I'm gonna hit it with the back to black right now. Clean it up and hit it and see. Bro, look at the difference, bro. Look at over there. Look right here, bro. It looks a lot cleaner. So I'm gonna finish cleaning it up with the back to black and come back over here, and I'll hit this with another coat and then clear it afterwards. So let's get back to it. I got the second coat on there, and reason why I'm not recording myself doing this because it's slightly windy out and I don't want the wind to blow the overspray back into the camera. But Back to Black did its magic. It even did its magic down here, so even right here, Back to Black is the truth right now. So that's what I'm using. I might look at it right now, and I'm gonna hit it with some Back to Black. So here's this, and boom. I don't know if y'all can see the difference, but it looks way better to me. In a few, alright, I will take the car out in the sun so y'all can get a better look at the car, the seats and everything. So it's a quick little video of me just, you know, doing me things to the car. And yeah, might hit this with a clear real quick and start the other one. Boom, just like that. I got them bolts painted and it looks way better in the black, even though up near it looks like ass, but from here it looks perfect. One day I'm gonna take them off and redo them, like paint them properly, but for now this will do, bro. Like this looks pretty good. As I said, from a distance, I touched it over there, messed it up. So yeah, bro, so I'm gonna take the car outside, show you guys how the car looks, and that'll be this video. It's short, quick, you know, not too much, not too little, I guess, on this video. So if you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.